All right, so we're going to unlock the top speed of our Talaria XXX Red Edition with the pedal kit. So you want to start with the left-hand side of the bike. This cover needs to come off. What we're going to do is we're going to take our Allen wrench and take off these bolts here. So this will come off. And then what we have to do is we have to dig a little bit in here and find the brown looped wire. Now make sure you don't cut any other wire except for the brown looped wire. Like I said, you kind of have to dig a little bit to find it. All right, so here is our brown looped wire. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to snip this one. Take our scissors, just snip that wire there. Sure those are far enough apart, or you can put some electrical tape on each end. Guys, just nicely stuff your wires back in there. There's a lot of room in here, so it's pretty easy to get all these back in here. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take our plastic and put it back on. Make sure your brackets basically in place. Line this bad boy up. All right, guys, so we're done. It's that simple to unlock your Talaria XXX Red Edition with the pedal kit. Now this thing can go up to around 50 miles per hour for a top speed. If you guys want to see any other videos regarding this bike, please let us know in the comment section below. We get back to everybody. All right, guys, until next time, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like the content. Hit that thumbs up button and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos, including the Talaria XXX Red Edition with the pedal kit.